DoorDash likes to manipulate their drivers, and when they manipulate their drivers, you make less money. So don't get manipulated. Understand that DoorDash don't give a damn about you, and they will have you driving 20 miles for no money, and they will end your dash as soon as you decline 2 orders. So don't be manipulated, guys. Woo. Welcome. Let's go ahead and get this dinner shift started. We're gonna do some DoorDash, earn by time. I already started my shift. I had to grab me a bottle of water real quick. Hold on. I needed that, yes sir. Gotta stay hydrated when you out here doing DoorDash. Cause you can see right there, we are paused. It's getting dark too. We actually finna be springing forward here in a minute, so I'm gonna be excited that we get a little bit more daylight. Hopefully we can get some more deliveries done. Let's go ahead and unpause our dash and see what we get first. Like I said, we doing DoorDash, earn by time. They wanna send me something good, they wanna send me something far away. Let's turn this brightness down a little bit on this phone. Hopefully we can see that now. But it ain't nothing that's too far away. This is not what I wanted to see. We got a good order, but it's at a bad merchant though. Last time I was at this merchant, it took them an hour to make one pizza. We got 3.1 miles, my pizza. I'm gonna throw a screenshot up. Let me go ahead and accept this real quick before I lose it. First order of the night, it's a pizza order. That's perfect because look, I'm literally right here parked at Little Caesars. I thought they was gonna hook me up with a Little Caesars order to start my night out with. I got a couple of them the other day and I thought they was gonna keep that trend going. No, but it's all good though. We gonna head over to My Pizza and grab this first order. Man, we got a big turnaround from last time. They actually had it ready. So DoorDash sent me this one a little bit. No, this one basically was ready when I got here. You know, the pickup time already passed. Man, I'm happy. Like I said, last time them folks had me waiting over an hour to pick up a pizza or one pizza. They got 3 pizzas on this order. So it looked like they back to business. But actually, hold on, safety first. Now we on EBT, earned by time. So, you know, we get paid based off of how long we spend on the orders, including the customer tips. But still though, that order was ready. I think we picked this one up at 5:50. The time right now is 6:02. So we've been on the order for about 12 minutes already. Not bad there. The order was ready. Maybe, look, it's a pizza order, higher chance for a cash tip. Customer left no notes. Let's go ahead and confirm this bad boy. You know, sometimes, you know what, hold on. Cause sometimes they be wanting you to take a picture of your pizza bag when you pick up the order. So let me go ahead and double check. Order is picked up. Okay, they don't care nothing about no pizza bag. And lucky me, it's a hand to me order. So you know that don't mean it's gonna be a cash tip. Only thing that mean is they probably ain't gonna be there. So we gotta get our camera ready. I can't message them in the Dasher app directly. So my second option is to pull up a support message, a support box in chat, and take a picture. Now I do see somebody at the door. So that's a good sign right there. Hold on, we got 3 of them here. Oh, hello, guys. Got it? Thank you. You guys have a great night. Oh, snap. We got a cash tip. We got a cash tip. Yes, sir. I ain't even want to get no picture. When they give you that cash tip, you just got to get up out of there as quickly as possible. That's the rules. So we finna go ahead and confirm that. Boom. Even if it say no tip in the app, I don't even care. Look, no tip in the app, they tipped in cash. At least we got it on camera, so everybody. Pizza customers is more likely to be good customers. You know, that was a 3-mile total delivery distance, but I think from the merchant, we was looking at about 2 miles. Not bad. I would do that again. I think, I ain't even counted, but I think that was a $3 cash tip, $4.48 in base pay. I can do that all day long. See, that's why I don't mind it not being a tip in the app on pizza orders, because you have a higher chance of getting that cash tip. Whoo, I wish I could take this order and even go to Walgreens, man. That's messy. DoorDash, what you got for me? We made $4 so far. $4 ain't gonna pay no bills, DoorDash. What you got? I need you to go ahead and do me nicely. One time for the one time. Go ahead, hook it up. It's Friday night. Now, I know folks is hungry. No, I ain't got no large order program, but I got the pizza bag program. If you wanna stack a couple of them pizza orders together and we can bring in a couple cash tips, I'm with it. If not, I'm gonna turn on Uber Eats and we're gonna keep it moving. Cause look, what you gotta realize is, you know, I will turn on another app. So you need to go ahead and do me right. Matter of fact, I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on since you think I'm playing. So we got a DoorDash and an Uber at the same time. We got 4.5 miles at Chick-fil-A. That's my earn by time offer. Then we got $6.50 for 7 miles at Wingstop. No. Let's go ahead and decline that, turn that off, and then let's go back to DoorDash, and then let's accept that, because that I will take. So we heading to the chicken spot where they got their chicken hot. It's not looking too good, guys. This order got a pickup time of 6:23. So it might not be a good tip on this order. It's Friday night. I'm expecting some good tips, man. I need Chick-fil-A to not have no copyrighted music. We got to take a whole picture of the customer's order when we at Chick-fil-A. Hopefully it's ready. Yep, and it is. Let's get that picture. Boom, just like that. Thank you. Oh shit, it's slippery. I hope I got that on camera. What's this? Order number 2. This order was ready when I got there. Boy, if it's any tip on this order, I'll be lucky. Boy, that thing scared the hell out of me. That flag, that wind hit that flag, that thing scared the hell out of me. Boy, I thought it was a bat or something. I was getting ready to run. 1, 2, 3, turn your ass around. Yes, sir. So we just dropped that Chick-fil-A order off. We got $5.58 in base pay, $3.50 on the tip for a total of $9.08. Not bad. That order was going 4 miles away and they tipped $3.50. It could have been worse. I'm sitting there running my mouth. Look, now I gotta show y'all on the live stream, and I gotta show whoever watched this video once I get done. Look at this. What is an Edley's? Ever heard of Edley's? I thought that shit said Eddie's. No, that must say Edley's. Come on, Doordash, what is going on? Do I get another decline? Did I already decline one? In my dash, oh my God. But you know what? All good things come to an end. You know what? Because I just can't be out here like that. Look, and it ain't even so bad because y'all right back busy. Bum ass. Tried to lie to me. Look, they tried to lie to me. It's right back busy. They done ended. Man, I'm good. Hell yeah, earn by order for the rest of the night because I ain't finna get no high acceptance rate anyways. Look, I've been doing all these earn by time orders. I'm still at 29%. That shit don't matter. Doordash be out here playing games. Got our next order. We at McDonald's. I got the screenshot, $7 for 3 miles. I actually got 2 orders before this one. They ended my dash on earn by time because I didn't want to go 8 miles away. Stop playing with me. It's not happening. And first order was $8 for 9 miles, upside down offer, not happening. Second order, $18.75 for 9.3 miles, if I'm not mistaken, at Taco Fusion. I never even been there before. But they're gonna have to fuse together some more profits because I need $25 to go 9 miles. Just in case I have to drive back, I don't have to slap myself in the back of the head, so I had to decline that one. So that's why we landed here at McDonald's, $7, 3 miles, screenshot going up right there. We finna head on in here and see how busy they is on a Friday night. Come on, y'all. Got my McDonald's order, and when I say I got it, no cap. I just went straight behind the counter and grabbed it, because look, first of all, look, I can read. I already got it into numbers and shit. Look, I ain't about to be waiting on these McDonald's people. They busy as hell. It is Friday night. They got 2 people working in there, and they paying them $7 an hour. Look, it ain't got shit to do with me, but I gotta make my money. So excuse me, little McDonald's worker. I'm about to grab this bag. It's heavy as hell, and I'm about to get up out of here. Skedaddle, because I ain't got no time to play. All right, guys, next order. We got $16 even. Yes, ain't getting nothing extra. 8.5 miles at Edley's. Next up, we got $4.89 for 3 miles. At McAllister's Deli. That was McAllister's right there on the left too. Got an order right over there at McAllister's. Guess what? It's gonna stay right there. Hold on, let me get a screenshot. That's gonna be my thumbnail. Hey guys, so after declining those trash booty butthole bottom of the barrel offers, bottom feed them offers, what they call them? Bottom feeders? Yeah, that was a bottom feeder offer. We got one, $5.50, 1 mile at McAllister's. That's way better than $4.86 for 3 miles. I mean, absolute idiots. Who is taking these orders? Basically, all 3 of them deliveries I just did was on that one road. So I'm cool with that. Let's head on in here, see if they got that thing ready. Man, Doordash is kind of smart, man, because when you switch between earn by time and earn by offer, by you switching back and forth and back and forth and back and forth, you don't know whether you want the order to be ready or not when you get there. Like, I'm sitting here like, man, I hope this order ain't ready. But that's because I was doing earn by time. So I'm sitting up here hoping the order ain't ready. No, I'm on earn by offer. I need these orders to be ready now. See, Doordash is smart. They like, yeah, if we had these damn dashers out here switching between earn by time and earn by offer, they not gonna know what the hell they really want. This is what Doordash really want for real. I'm trying to tell y'all. Boy, these houses is the real deal Holyfield. This it right here. This the house I'm going to right here. Hold on, let me bag it up so y'all can see this nice ass house. Look at this nice motherfucker. Woo! That house is nice, boy. Oh my goodness, boy. I know they better have left a nice tip on this one. What was the, oh wait, nope, they didn't. They tipped $3. You know what? I guess that's how they afford a house like this, by not giving me. Next up, we got $9.75 for 9.2. Hell to the no. Screenshot, decline 29%. Yes, sir, I'm cool with it. DoorDash likes to manipulate their drivers, and when they manipulate their drivers, you make less money. So don't get manipulated. Understand that DoorDash don't give a damn about you, and they will have you driving 20 miles for no money, and they will end your dash as soon as you decline 2 orders. So don't be manipulated. Just got done dropping off an order, $8.75, 3.5 miles, turned into $12. Great customer, left a $10 tip. I'm not gonna lie though, I was scared because I had a couple red flags pop up, but you know what? Everything was all good, and we still up in the hood. So we got our next order right here, $6, 1 mile, little CCs. They slow as hell, but you know what? It's all good though, because this order got hidden tip potential, $6, 1 mile. My base pay in my market is $2, so that's a $4 tip on a pizza order. Now, pizza orders have a higher chance for a cash tip, but don't depend on that. I got 1 cash tip today, so I may not get another one for 100 deliveries. But getting a pizza order increases those odds, so let's head on over to Lil CC's. Look at this, guys. We got $2 for 1.7 miles. Last order we just did, $6, 1 mile, turned into $7. Y'all want me to take this right here? $2. He sent a $2 super chat, so we just picked up a no tip order. And now we are about to drive it. No receipt. Nope, no receipt. I'm taking a picture of this pizza bag, and that's it. Because you know what? Why would I do extra work and there's no extra money? And it's a hand to me. This is why we should never deliver to no tip customers right here. I think this might be my last order for the night, y'all. It better be a cash tip. It better be. Or I can't stand hand to me customers. Oh. We delivered that no tip order, and we got no tip on that order. Feel real bad. Won't be doing that ever again. But for right now, we sitting at $36 for an hour and a half on the earn by offer side. We ain't doing horribly for the whole night since 5:30. It's not quite 8:30 yet, but we pretty much almost 3 hours in, and we at less than $50. That's not great. DoorDash is pretty much trash right now for me in my market, but let me know how it's going for you in your market. How much money you make on a Friday night? Because me, I pretty much quit. You know, my live stream that made me take a no tip order. I just seen the worst image from a DoorDash customer that I ever seen in my whole time dashing. Lady was so happy for Little Caesars. I don't know what to do. I lost all faith in my community for the night. $8.50, 6.3 miles. Not happening. After what I just went through, absolutely not. Look, y'all definitely made me change. Look, y'all didn't change the whole trajectory of the night, because after dealing with that customer, oh my goodness. Oh my, I can't do that no more. Well, we did about $50 in 3 hours on DoorDash. Not good. Not good at all. So we're gonna go ahead and take our L for the night, and we're gonna get us something to drink. Let's see if they got us some Crown or some Hennessy. You know what? We're gonna go with this Crown Royal right here. That seems like it's gonna work. So, you know, hey, it's Friday night. I made enough to buy me a bottle of Crown Royal. I'm cool with that. Catch y'all in the next one.